Stellenbosch. Wicket turnaround, equaliser! Andre de Jong is claiming the touch. It's all about the delivery from the set piece. It was absolutely superb. Already waiting. Shabalana's corner. It's caught off. That's the problem. It's been turned in. Get the ball away. Oh! And Jamal's made a mistake. And Kaizer Chiefs will win this one 3-1. They are through to the semi-finals.